Hey guys and gals, this is Kelley with Night Plumbing coming to you from Littleton, Colorado. I've been in this trade for a long time, and I've had my business now for 3 years. So I've been working with Richard the Million Dollar Plumber for about the last 6 months, and I really thought that when I started my business, I had an idea of what I was doing and where I was going with everything. And yeah, now I see where I was at and what I was doing, and there's no way that I could be where I am today if I didn't have Richard in my corner with the tools that he has, the skills that he teaches you. I mean, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you're in the plumbing trades and you've started your own business, okay, and you're like I was, you're a single guy in a truck, you need to get that butt out of the truck, and Richard's going to help you do that. Richard is the $1 million plumber for a reason. This guy knows what he's talking about, guys. I don't believe in the life coach thing. I am so thankful for everything that Richard and Laura do for us and what they've helped us create our business, and helped us mold our business into from what I had already started. It's unbelievable. So Richard, Laura, thank you so much. Richard is the $1 million plumber, guys. This is the best investment you'll make. Better than any tool, truck, or any shirt or anything you could do. Richard the $1 million plumber is your man. Give him a shot.